Hi guys, this is Ulsiram from Codon and welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to talk about Samsung M.2 NVMe SSD 970 EVO Plus. Well, 970 EVO Plus is a successor to a Samsung's very famous EVO series which came last year. Samsung EVO SSD were pretty much dominating this segment. They were unmatched, but recently they started getting some competition, especially from Western Digital, Black Drives, and also from Coursera's MP510, which are very similar in terms of performance and quite cheaper. Now time to take a look at what inside the box. Let me just open the box and see what's inside. Samsung made some pretty big claims about these in their pre-launch, but what's interesting is that actual memory type and controller doesn't seem to have changed. Instead, the performance upgrade comes from the same Phoenix controller used in 970 EVO. Design wise, they look the same as before, and it's nice to see a black PCB design here, not like the old 970 EVO series. Looking at the specs, we see expected performance increase across the boards. It's worth noting that as with the new Magician software, does its job pretty well by optimizing the performance by reserving some free space so that it can work much faster. Also, this is a TLC memory, not a QLC, which means it will at least last for 5 years, and also you have a 5 years of warranty with read and write speed of 3000 Mbps guaranteed across a long period of time. If you are confused what's TLC and QLC, be sure to check out our video where we explain which SSD to choose for your laptop and PCs. So here are some PC benchmarks when we compare this SSD with other SSDs in the market. You see there is a vast difference in terms of performance. The 250GB series of 970 EVO Plus was also beating high-end SSDs at the same price segment. However, we do see it comes with a consequence. Using a FLR camera, we see parts of the drivers going over 90 degrees Celsius. When we put extreme workloads on it using IO meters, even though the results show a big performance improvement in database or similar extreme scenarios, I feel these temperatures are not what when you stress a drive. Of course, during more typical heavy loads like working on Premiere Pro from scratch, the temperature doesn't go as well as these results. So we can easily consider it as a solid workstation SSD, just don't consider it as a heavy duty server option. When it comes to pricing, Samsung promises it's the same recommended retail price as the EVO drive, which is around 4500 for 250GB model and around 8000 for 500GB model. Samsung is targeting these SSDs at tech enthusiasts, hardcore gamers, and also professionals. I do agree with the first and last because it's very handy to have a fast NVMe SSD if you have a big professional workload or you have some creative tasks. But for gamers, I personally think you are better off buying a previous generation SSD, as these, for example, EVO 860 series is a very good recommendation with around 1TB of space at a cost higher than these SSDs, but they will get the job done. Because when it comes to gamers, a faster SSD will not make much of a difference in terms of frame rates, but a higher capacity SSD will definitely make a difference. So if you have a choice between lower capacity but faster speed and higher capacity but not faster speed, I would definitely recommend going for higher capacity. Now that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment what you like about this review, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay home, stay safe.